How to change your username on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Minecraft. Go to minecraft.net and to the login page. This is the official website of Minecraft. If you are playing the Java version of the game, you'll be able to change your username on this site. There are a couple of time limitations for usernames. You can only change your username once every 30 days, and you cannot change your username if your account was made in the last 30 days. Changing your in-game username does not change your Minecraft website profile name. Click My Games. This option appears in the left menu of your profile page under your account name. Now click Profile Name under Minecraft Java Edition. This will open a new page for changing your in-game username. Type a username under Java profile name. Note that there are a few requirements for usernames. It needs to have 3 to 16 characters. You cannot use spaces between the characters. You can use uppercase and lowercase A through Z, 0 through 9, and underscores. The username cannot be already in use by another player. Then click Change Profile Name. This will confirm your username change. Now you're ready to get back to making cool houses and finding the end portal. Your previous username will be saved for 37 days, giving you a week after the 30-day wait period to switch back to your old username before it can be used by someone else. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.